my channel. I'm your girl, Miss Khrissy. That's Khrissy with a K. Today, I am reviewing this wig for you guys from the Barelace Collection. Her name is Bilany, I believe, and I have the color Secret Buttery Blonde. I'm going to show you guys how quick and easy this wig was. I did not even install this wig. This wig is glueless, y'all. I put this wig on my head. It was very quick. Give this video a thumbs up for me. It really does help push me out. Hit that subscribe button. So this is the stock cards. Again, the style Bilany in the color Secret Highlight Buttery Blonde. These are other colors that it comes in, and this is what it's looking like fresh out the pack. So you're gonna get these nice curly kind of waves, and it's really long. The hairline looks really good, y'all. Like, I'm loving the knots on these Y-Part collections. They're really thin, but I'm just gonna go in with my hot comb and brush it back a little bit. I like to just see the hairline. When you go in with a hot comb, it just helps you see the hairline a little bit better. And don't go too hot because this is a synthetic wig, so keep in mind that you can burn this wig. I'm also going in and curling the side because, again, don't go in all the way down because being a synthetic wig, you can lose the curls. So this is what she's looking like initially on my head. She's really pretty. I was just kind of feeling her out. I also did go in with a black wig cap because this lace is so thin you can see it. But this is what it's looking like. It's not really matching my complexion, but you guys know I like to match my lace with lace tint spray, powder, foundation, whatever you choose. Today, I'm going in with my Maybelline Fit Me powder, and that's what it should look like. So now I'm just putting on the wig. I like to use up the products underneath my cabinet, so that's why I kind of switch it up all the time. And if you notice, the powder did bleed through a little bit, so I was just cleaning it up with alcohol. I'm going in with my Ruby Kisses cream foundation. I like this for the final touches of the lace, like after I put on the wig, and I'm just matching it some more to my complexion. I'm not going to secure this wig with lace adhesive spray. I'm actually going to wear her glueless, and you see how that is really matching. This lace on this Barelace collection, I'm telling y'all, it's really nice. So I'm just cleaning up the wig a little bit. You know, it gets a little tangly as you play with it. I like to go in with synthetic wig sprays, my conditioning spray, my Simply Styling spray, or I like to use serum. And this unbrush, get this brush, I tell you guys all the time, it's really good for detangling. I'll leave all the links under my description box under Wig Essentials where you can get everything if you need anything shown in this video. Now I'm going in with my hot comb. I'm just kind of pressing out the top, making it look a little bit more natural and realistic. The less humpy the wig, the more natural it looks in my opinion. Now I'm going in with a little bit of concealer in that parting space to make it look more scalp-like, and that's pretty much it. Alright guys, so I'm back with this wig. It is really late, y'all. If you guys only knew how late I am filming this video for you guys, but I'm trying to give y'all the videos. Okay. So again, this wig is from the Barelace Collection. It's from Sensationnel. This is one of the Y-Part wigs, meaning you're just going to get a standard lace part. You can't part this wig any way you like. This is in the style Bilany, I believe. I have the color Secret Highlight Buttery Blonde. I've reviewed a wig in this collection before. I actually reviewed 2 wigs in this collection. Ooh, we doing things over here. I reviewed Daria and I reviewed those Yaki wigs, Analia. So if you want to see different color options or different styles, check those videos out right here. So this is Bilany. I think that's how you say it. I'm probably butchering the name, but work with me. So I had to get this wig. First of all, shout out to Leekah's reviews. I got this wig because of her, actually, because girl, you slayed that wig. So I had to get this wig, and I believe that's how you, I think it's Leekah. So I got this wig because of you, girl. So thank you. She reviewed this wig. I think it was the golden walnut color. Either way, I'll leave a link to her video down below so you can check it out. But I had to get this wig. Now, before I forget, because I do forget stuff, she ripped her wig. So y'all definitely want to check out her video and see how she put her wig on, because, you know, it was a reminder. It was a definite reminder. Y'all remember when I used to rip my wigs all the time? Anyway, like I said, I've talked about this collection. I absolutely love this collection. It is the Barelace collection, but it's more beginner friendly with this standard lace part. It definitely reminds me of the Barelace collection, but it's just the lace is thinner. So, where do I start with this wig? What do I want to tell you guys? As far as specs, these Barelace wigs are supposed to be 20% larger grid pattern. It's supposed to be a thinner lace, 40% thinner lace, it's saying. Shows more skin, dissipates light, stronger reinforced tear fiber, which I don't know, because like I told y'all, she just ripped her wig. So be careful with this wig. This is what she's looking like in the back. He's really long. This wig is a little thinner, but it's okay because of the curls. Like, it makes it look fuller, so I like that. I like how lightweight it is. Let me go ahead and give you guys some pros and some cons. As far as cons go, I don't think I really have any cons with this wig. This wig is very pretty. It's definitely a look if this is what you're looking for. I think this wig hits. I like this Buttery Blonde collection. I think at this point, y'all, I've given you guys a lot of different colors with this secret highlight. I have reviewed secret highlight chestnut. I did that in Lorena. The video is right here. I did the ginger, the walnut honey, the ash blonde. Like, I'm giving you guys the colors, so you just have to watch the videos, okay? I like these peekaboo highlights, like I've stated in all the videos. I like this little secret right here. This little highlight of color makes the wig pop more to me. As far as cons with this wig, again, I say it in all my videos, I don't like long synthetic wigs because I feel like they tangle more. But I do feel like this wig's texture, compared to some other wigs I have reviewed, I do like this texture. It's a light yaki and it's not as silky, so I feel like it's not as tangly, if that makes sense, because when you add a little bit of texture to the wig or the fibers are a little thicker, you can run your fingers through it. I absolutely suggest you guys getting this unbrushed. This is a great detangling brush. I'm gonna leave a link below under my wig essentials, and I think this is a really great brush. Now, when you're comparing different collections, this wig is not a human hair blend, guys, so keep that in mind, but I think it still works. I like the way the wig is flowing. And then another con that I do have is pretty much the cap. I've stated that before in the past with Sensational wigs. When you get these standard lace parts like butter lace, a lace part collection, or even like this Y-Part collection, it seems like the caps are a little bit more snug, I guess, to fit your head tighter and wear it glueless. I don't know. So it's a little bit more snug. So pull the wig from the back to the front, but it's a little bit tighter. Pros, I am wearing this wig glueless, y'all. Like, I don't do glueless, and I didn't put any adhesive on this wig, and this wig is really snug to my head. I didn't put any adhesive on this wig, so I do like that. For a little bit of security, you can put like a little bit of spray or whatever right here in the middle, but I don't feel like it's necessary to secure the wig all the way down, because you can go in with that band if you can tolerate it and you can wear this wig glueless. So I do like the fact that you can wear this wig glueless, no adhesive. One, because it's very late and I'm just going to take this wig off, and two, you can get away with glueless wigs when you have that band in there. Certain collections of these synthetics wigs, when it's more snug to your head, you can get away with glueless. And I feel like if you match the lace to your complexion, you can get away with glueless. And if you go in maybe some bobby pins to secure it. For me, if you guys saw, like I was going like this, my wigs slide back. They slowly start sliding, so I don't like glueless. I don't like wigs looking like this. So I do apply a little bit of adhesive, at least at the top, but you can put, like I said, the bobby pins to secure it so it doesn't do that. I think the glueless works. It absolutely does work, and all wigs that are glueless aren't this snug, so keep that in mind. But this works. As long as you have a good lace, as long as you have a good fit, you can get away with glueless, so you don't have to keep, like, you know, tacking down the wigs. Like, we can put the wig on and boom, 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 run and do what we got to do and take the wig off. It works. But for me personally, I do like a little bit of security. That's just me. Every once in a while, our edges do need breaks. So I get it. Y'all let me know. Are you glueless or are you not glueless? Let me know. Let me know in the comments. Talk to me. I do like the texture of this hair. I do like the fact that, like I said, it's not too silky. It is a little like yaki. I like the layers in this wig. I like the curls in this wig. I like the color. I think this wig is a look, y'all. Like, this wig is so pretty. I definitely am going to be selling this wig. If you guys been following me, you know that I do resell some of my wigs on my Mercari site to keep this channel flowing. I can't keep buying these wigs. Let's be realistic, y'all. Like, I will have 1,000 wigs by now if I kept every single wig that I have reviewed for you guys. So I keep reselling some of them. I do keep some, but I do resell them back to you guys at a more affordable price. I do clean them up. If you're not familiar with the way I do it, I clean up the lace, I clean up the wig, and I resell it at a discounted price. So check the link below, Mercari wig sales. I'm just not rich. That's the reality of it. So yeah, we gotta keep the flow. We gotta keep the flow for this channel. But this wig is pretty, and I would consider getting this if I didn't have a style like this. So I do resell the wigs if I have a similar style, because I don't need 100 wigs of the same style. So I like this wig though. I think she's very pretty and I really don't have any issues with it. I think she's really pretty. It's pretty much just the cap, y'all. I wish the cap was a little bit bigger. But y'all let me know what y'all think about these wigs. Are y'all feeling these like sensational Y-Part wigs? Are y'all feeling this collection? Like, are y'all feeling the style? Like, let me know. Drop some comments down below. Give this video a thumbs up. And until next time, I'm gonna talk to y'all later. Bye!